Well, howdy. This is Jim from Impressive Images Photography. I'll be sending you your retouched photos through a gallery system called Pixieset. And the purpose of this video right here is to get you familiar with how to get those pictures from Pixieset onto your computer. So we're going to start this little tutorial by getting rid of my face. And here we go. You will receive an email from Impressive Images Photography with the address of the listing that I've photographed for you. You open that email, and here is your invitation to view the photos that I have created for your listing. There is some very important information right here that I would love for you to read. And if we have worked together before, I will include the download PIN number. If this is our first time working together, I will wait until I receive payment, and then I will text you this very important PIN number. So let's make a note of 8759 because we are going to use that in just a minute. Let's view these photos. Now, at this point in the gallery view of these photos, you will notice that each photo has a watermark on it. This allows you to view the photos before you pay for the photos. This really is appreciated. I want you to see what you're paying for before you do so. If they meet your needs, please come right up top, hit the download button. They are going to ask for your email address and that download PIN number, and that is 8759. We'll hit next. We are going to download to the computer. Now, this screen, it really only takes a matter of seconds for the download to be complete, or for the bundling of these photos to be complete. Or you can go back and check your email, and this link will be sent to your email also. So I just prefer to stay right here. I am going to click on the link. We are going to find some place to download this file. So in my pictures, I'm going to make a new folder which I will call the street address of the listing. Okay, so we are finished with this window. We want to open up this window and go back to Pictures. Now at this point you will notice that they have delivered a zip file to you. That is a bundling technique. All 49 of these photos are contained inside this folder. So what we do is we double click and there are all of our photographs. So what we're going to do is you click 1, you do a Control, click A, and then we just sweep all of these pictures into that folder. Okay, those photos are now on your computer. And using this system right here, you can upload those photos to the MLS system of your choice. They are already sized 1200 pixels wide by 800 pixels high, which is just perfect for MLS display. I hope this has been very helpful. I am always available for your questions, and I hope you have a very good, quick sale of your listing. So long for now.